this is Patrick Ryan with Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to 125 Surf Way, Unit 331. Come on in. So we're having an open house this weekend. We want to sell this unit. It's just had a recent price reduction, and I'll be here Friday from 3 to 5, Saturday 11 to 3, and Sunday 11 to 3. But you got to check this unit out. It's completely gutted and completely remodeled, top of the line, everything. The best unit I've seen in Surf Way. It has its own inside laundry, which is a bonus. But come check out the great room.
This condo is a dream. It offers the best of coastal living with top-notch luxury and thoughtful details. From the cozy radiant heat flooring to the stunning quartz waterfall countertops, every feature has been carefully chosen for style and comfort.
The owner had an interior designer, I believe from the Bay Area, come down and design this property.
The kitchen is set up with a Wolf induction stove and a Sub-Zero refrigerator, catering to everyday cooking.
The bathroom is the best bathroom I've seen in any of the units, even the penthouse is here.
The redesigned bathroom feels like a spa with its dual head walk-in shower and dual sink vanity. Overall, this coastal retreat offers our harmonious blend of comfort and style.
Like I said, I'll be open from 3 to 5 on Friday, 11 to 3 Saturday and Sunday. Come on by. We want to sell it this weekend. I've helped people buy in Surf Way before, and I'm always in touch with my clients after. They love it here. It's a wonderful place. My phone number, 831-238-8116. Give me a call if you'd like to see any of the disclosures, but we'll see you this weekend. Okay, thanks. Bye.